Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and today we're talking about the new reputation management widgets and AI summary control. We have a lot of really cool features that have been added to the reputation management function of HighLevel, namely giving us the ability to have more control over our widgets and what they're going to look like when we install them on our website to display our reviews to all of our customers and leads. And then we also have the ability to make some further adjustments to the AI summary part of our widgets in our reputation management section. It's all really exciting, so let's dive right in. So we can navigate here by going to our sub account and then going to the reputation management screen via reputation. And then here we'll talk about first our widgets. We can click widgets at the top. And then here is where we can create widgets. We'll have a default widget here. We can also create via templates. So this entire widget creation section is new. This is going to allow us to do lots of fun things. So we have lots of different templates. So here's one, for example. We have a few more. We have dark mode, light mode, ones with different colors, ones that stack reviews up vertically. And we can take each one of these widgets and we can click edit, and then we can view our AI summary component. So via this, we can turn this on. And what this is going to do is going to add an AI summary section for our customers viewing our widget. So it'll let them know what customers say most about your business, what are some commonalities throughout your reviews. And this is going to give your customers or your leads the ability to learn more about your business really quickly using the AI summary. We can select either a short summary, a detailed summary, or an action points, which is like a bullet list type of summary. Here we are in a live agency, so we can check out a couple of those different templates. As you can see, a lot of them look really good. And then whenever we go to edit any of these templates, we can also view that AI summary here by turning it on. So here is that short version, as you see right here. Here's the detail. It's just going to be the same thing, but a little bit longer using that AI summary, just like that, as you can see here. And the last one is our action point. So we can select that. It'll give us this sort of bullet list. It'll generate here. And there it is. So this will give our customers a really straightforward bullet list of what we do best, what our customers say about us the most. And we can also customize this by putting the summary at either the top, being in along with layouts. This is essentially just going to make it look like a similar review. We can also check our review source here. So we can pull our reviews from either Facebook, Google, or combine them two. Then we can select our widget type. So whether our reviews are being listed in a list or in a grid. We also have the masonry ability. As you can see, a lot of these look really good. So this is giving HighLevel a lot of edge over all of the other review widget. So this is giving HighLevel a big edge over the other review widget editors on the market because these look fantastic. I really like this slider here that has AI summary on the left and then more reviews in the middle. And of course we have that carousel, slider, flash, and then legacy, which is the old version of the review widget. We can also customize our max number of views and turn on or off our powered by toggle. Now, if we go back to the top of this screen, we can also customize our heading at the top. So we can change those to whatever we really want it to be. We can change our fonts to any of the included fonts here. If we just search to any of the included fonts here, we can change colors. And lastly, on the right via settings, we can embed this onto our website or a different website if we have a site outside of HighLevel. This is honestly super exciting because HighLevel's review widget is now in a place where it's very competitive with all other platforms, which makes it even easier to have everything you need within HighLevel, including this reputation management feature. So I really like how all of these review widgets look. The AI summary component is absolutely awesome. So be sure to dive into this into your sub account. If you have any questions, leave a comment or check out the help doc. As always, this has been Andrew, and thank you for watching.